Good evening to everybody, and good evening to the global people, VIT, if they're
Everybody is
listening to
global,
us.
sir.
Okay. So when I was coming this side, first person I called was Srinivas, and it's a major thing. I accepted the invitation to come to Begusarai only to see Srinivas.
Oh.
Then Neeraj said, "Hey, why don't you spend the evening with the old students?"
We discussed it.
Yeah, so then I said, now it is guaranteed that I am coming. Okay, so I sent off my batch, my people today afternoon, and I stayed back here. So BIT, Bitosa is special for me because somehow I feel I really originated the whole thing in Bangalore, and that became the most developed Bitosa center. From there, all the things evolved, and then the center after center got created. Then that happened because especially I had a link with Bitosa, BIT. So eventually, every year I used to go and interact with students. I never cut off the link. And then when Barai became the Vice Chancellor, and immediately we called and we declared this as a global thing. We had an office, one of our, S.N. Agarwal, who is the owner of Baruka Steels, Baruka Power Corporation and all. So he gave a place in a very high locality of Karnataka, Lavelle Road. So we had an office, we declared that as the global office, and we had a secretary, we had done everything. Then you know the history, the fights began. Somebody said it has to be in Delhi, somebody said it really went into nasty scenarios. Then I got a little annoyed and left that. Now it is coming back. Mishra became the Vice Chancellor later on. In the beginning, he was helping me to shape it up to global level. Then it went into the speed. Ranchi people became very aggressive, saying that Ranchi should be global. So still that झगड़ा चल रहा है चल रहा है लेकिन हम सबको गाली दे देते हैं पहले जब हम कॉन्सेप्ट किया सब किया आप कोई नहीं थे अभी आके ये करने से ठीक है बैठो बात करो ये क्लेम्स एंटी क्लेम्स नहीं होने चाहिए because I am a teacher I can always गाली दे सकता हूँ देखिए. So now I think they are falling in line. Burman is the now person who is leading from Calcutta. So I always feel we needed to get together. I gave a vision to this Bangalore Cup. Vision was we will approach the government, we'll get 25 acres land, saying that we will help the Karnataka education system and let us take it and build our institution. But I had one problem there. If I build that as a BIT center, then Birla owns it.
Right.
So I am not really keen to do anything so that Birla's buildings will go up and his assets will grow. So I am very clear on that. I will do it only for BITians, not to BIT. This is very important. So therefore I took that exception. I said I will have no link with BIT. Except academic link, but this property should belong to Bangalore Bitosa.
So we can call it alumni initiative.
We can do so many things.
Okay.
So I had all the things worked out. Then somehow, this deviation took place, diversion. So we didn't, sort of realize that dream. But now Ramesh Agarwal, the team has taken over. I think they are in the right direction to go. And Bangalore is a place where you can really build institution. And what kind of people VITians in Bangalore? How many industries? Mindtree is ours, Tejas is ours,
Right.
and you name it, it's our boys. Okay, IDEA is headed by us, and America was downgraded by from S to A. It was done by BITians.
Right.
It's such a level of people. And it's an incredible collection of people are there in Bangalore. So therefore with that, I wanted my children of Bangalore engineering colleges to get advantage of that. This is what our design was. Then Karnataka was very happy to work with us, saying that their children get So somehow we couldn't consolidate that thing because there were diversions. So think on all these things. If you are there in Bihar, our job is to make our presence felt by contributing. That's what my motto for BIT.
So can you suggest few ways how, if you can?
No,
If I-
actually, it's a basically. Let me tell you, of late, after I retired, I went into village areas.
Right.
What you know is so much useful to change the life there, but you don't know that. So therefore, induct your knowledge into their lifestyles. Let me tell you one example. I'll tell you. One is this artificial insemination. Can you imagine the farmer takes his cow to veterinary doctor of like 3 times, 4 times before it conceives? That by then 1 year is over. 1 year में एक दिन में एक गाय 100 रुपीस का खाना खाता है, वो दूध नहीं देते. So इसका लॉस इतना होता है, पॉवर्टी इससे जोड़ा हुआ. If you can alter that little bit, आपका GDP चेंज हो जाता है, क्योंकि इतना 240 million cows are there in country. उसमें थोड़ा टेक्नोलॉजी, आपका नॉलेज है, उसको लगा दीजिए. So that's what I did and developed this. Now the NDDB has analyzed, if they implement my gun across the country, I was telling, farmers will get 500 crore rupees per day additional income. Wow. Without doing extra anything. Okay? That's why Giriraj Singh took interest in it, and he had heard of this. So just a minor thing. This is a space technology I have put into it.
Wow.
So I am really deeply into thing. Murli Manohar Joshi gave me a caution one day. That was, he came to my lab.
Sir, one photo I saw signing something with the PM Modi. What was going on?
That was again the same problem. I went to my village. This was in 2011 or 12. My cousin came and he was little depressed. I said, "What's your problem?" He said, "I have 3 acres of banana, but my borewell dried up." So I felt miserable. 3 acres banana is a life. So when I came back to IISc that evening, next day morning, I took my shock tube. It's you produce a blast wave out of it. Connected this, took a truck mate. I selected the dry borewell in IISc campus. For those of you who have not seen campus, it's 350 acres campus. So we took that and I blasted that. About 4 shots I fired. Then the water started coming in a dry borewell. It's a very common sense, the channels through which water comes, they get clogged up because of sand sitting or the biological activity, pachi, they call it. So all that what I did, I put such a, a transient pressure which will act on the surfaces and it will blast this thing. The whatever is clogging, it clears up. I thought now is the time I become rich. Karnataka is full of borewells and borewells. Dry borewells.
Even Bangalore.
And everywhere. So then I was merrily going, I booked a Tata truck, usme laga do, ghuma do, ho jayega. Then I realized one day, suddenly it occurred to me, if I suck out all the water in the ground, my grandchildren will have no water left. Believe me, I just threw it off. Farmers curse me for that because I had given lectures, demos and all that. Then we realized, why can't we use it for petroleum and gas? So that's how we went, met Reliance, they were very thrilled. Then it's about 150 crore rupees project. Then one of the directors confidentially told me, don't do this. There is a threat to your life. There is a history. So I broke with them. Finally, I went to government, ONGC. They took it. To sign that MOU, Modi ji came all the way to Bangalore. And that was the MOU I signed. Pradhan ji was there. Pradhan ji is from Ranchi.
He's from Ranchi.
Yeah, he is from Orissa, but he is, I think, political.
He's a tourism minister, I think.
No, petroleum.
Petroleum.
So they came and a MOU was signed. That is a classical picture where I am sitting and the ONGC is sitting. Yeah. It is in every ONGC thing you can see that thing. Rare apparently, I didn't know this. Because while Prime Minister is standing, nobody is supposed to be sitting. But the protocol officer came running, he said, "Nahi sir, aap बैठ नहीं सकते." Then Modi ji बोला, "Professor के सामने हम क्या है?" So that is the connection. So we finished that thing 3 years, and I am proud to say that this technology what we have developed can go 3 to 4 kilometers underground. It can blast. It's a unique technology.
Isn't China also working on the same?
Yeah, very countries.
I've heard about China doing the same thing.
No, they use hydrofracking. They use high pressure water they pump in, millions of gallons of water, and that is destroying. Like California
They
belt.
use a pneumatic pressure to break.
No, this is just a pressure pulse which is about 1 millisecond or 2 milliseconds. Nothing is felt. California is so bad, you will be hearing the tremors 1 hour frequency because of this
As
thing.
bad as Japan.
Yeah, it's a bad. So therefore, we came up with an alternative, and this is such an advanced technology. ONGC will be releasing when they want to go public, all that thing. But the connectivity is this. Future fuel will be, it's a shale gas. Shale gas storage, it's a methane mixed with the sand and all that thing, mud. You have to extract that. It is 5 kilometers below the ground. You go vertical, about 3 kilometers, then go horizontal. And from there you have to extract. That technology is a very, very disruptive, very costly. And our machine is the one which will cost you nothing.
Wow.
So this is what the future technology. Off Visakhapatnam, 160 kilometers inside, they have found such a reservoir of this. Another 300 years, India doesn't need energy from anywhere.
Wow. That would be a vision, sir.
Yeah, this is where the thing is, to extract that you need a technology, we have built that. It's a futurist. Likewise, I have built, I realized China, it is, I always, though I am very close with them, they're friendly, but you have to prove that you are capable, otherwise they will never respect you. So we have missiles which can reach up to Shanghai, or Agni can go to 3,500 kilometers. So I thought if I can push it another 1,500 kilometers so that it can reach Beijing, there is psychological advantage. So I invented a technology that was in 2009. But 2007, Murali Manohar Joshi ji came and saw the technology. We announced it in 2009. He told me one advice, Professor Saab, आपका नाम कभी पेपर में आना नहीं चाहिए. आपका जीवन पर threat है. This was the word. I really took it seriously. So since then, I've never accepted any award or any fellowships. No way. So I am the most least known scientist of IIT because of this. So now with that announcement which we did in 2009, because it was our centenary year, Science IISc announced that because of that China made a statement after one week. That's the first time they did. Indians are not competitors, they are collaborators. This was the changeover which came, because now I can send our this Agni missile to Beijing right there, and I have the atomic bombs.
Wow.
So it can carry a warhead of 1 ton or 1.5 tons, and that.
Amazing.
So this is the finest technology. PSLV, you are seeing that.
Yeah.
PSLV, the crucial technology in that is the heat shield, because when it goes into the atmosphere at that speed, temperature around that will be 3,000 to 4,000 degree Kelvin. And no material can withstand. You need to design some extra material. So I developed that whole thing. I didn't know that I am considered as the hero. The director of Vikram Sarabhai Tumba Center, who builds this PSLV, gave a general talk in IISc about 2 years ago for our Diamond Jubilee or something. He puts the slide titled on. Next slide is PSLV. Next to it, KP Reddy is sitting. Okay, said because of him it is flying. I didn't know that I am a hero. So my colleagues didn't know about that. So what I am trying to say is our technologies, capabilities are there. Now I am not basking in that glory. I am taking this to the villages. So believe me, there is a thing called drip irrigation. Drip irrigation, we have about 9 million hectares of land under drip irrigation. These drip tubes, they have a drop by drop. Incidentally, it was invented in Israel, and he was a professor. I used to be a professor every year, 1 month. We used to have adjacent rooms. So I was privileged to work with such a man. He changed the whole world of water management. So these tubes, they get clogged up. So 3 महीना में they out of 100 holes, about something like 60-70% will block. Then you can't, your crop is dead. Therefore, what they do, the farmers, I discovered to my horror, per acre, 50 liters of hydrochloric acid is spent to fill these tubes. And that will dissolve those salts which are blocking there. And where does this 50 liters go? It is put into the soil. Sir, at this rate, all these drip irrigation lands will be deserts.
Acidic, sir.
Deserts, sir, nothing.
Desert.
Immediately, believe me, the moment I knew, I have invented this ready tube, you can read up what is this ready tube. So I converted that into a device where you connect that to the drip tube. You just put a one blast wave into it, and all the holes will open up, only air in that. So I'm just launching, I've called it as Drip Bandhu. So now it will be enormously useful to the farmers.
Great.
So all that I am trying to say is technologies what we have are useful somewhere. So likewise, like I am trying to build a artificial liver. We realized I used to see in my village many people with a single leg walking because of the amputation. The diabetic people. So we should do something. We made this machine again using ready tube. Just expose that wound, which is 3 years, 4 years, it won't go. And expose with mild shocks into that. Within about 3 months, the wound is healed. It kills all the bacteria, angiogenesis will form, and wound is gone. So now we are in a position to save so many people's amputation. So this is a low-end application of the high-end technology. So day in, day out, I am trying to take what little I know into the village. This is what I am trying to tell you guys. Please, like water thing, sir, how much of thing we need to do, otherwise this planet will not survive. We need to do this. So we as a BITians, I make this statement. I went to BIT as a young kid from a village. I didn't know there was a reservation in the tribe. That was my status. And whatever I am doing, it is all from BIT experience. I have seen.
We are proud of you and proud of us.
No, honestly, I am not boasting. I became a man. You know why I became the entrepreneur? Because Sirdo, I used to see. Udar Berita and Raju tha, they used to manufacture things. I thought, my dream was I must invent and manufacture and sell. Finally, when I turned 60, then I saw, Amara bank mein, no, at 60, it's very interesting mindset. I was going out, I will be getting about 60-70 lakhs when I retire. हमने सोचा हमारा भाई इतना बुद्धू था, वो अब उसका साथ अभी 50 करोड़ का I was an idiot to come to studies. So what लिया? I will not stop my work until I have 100 crores in my account. That's how industries began. So I just opened one company now. That was in September. Now it is valued at 40 crores. I have 4 or 5 companies. I'm sure I'll get my 100 crores. I don't know what to do with it, but I'll use it for living. Because my pension is so much, I don't know how to spend so much money.
So you also look forward to some future collaborations?
Yeah, sir, what I am doing is, please take a look at the mindset. It is not the abilities. It's a mindset. नहीं तो आप लोग इतना achieve किए हैं. It is what you need to do is you have to say that I want to use it this way. Believe me, everything. हमको इतना गुस्सा आता है. Farmer ये काम करके mango tree बनाता है. Oh, he's so happy. It is giving 150. I said it was giving 150 fruits to your father, his father, his father. Damn it, what have you done? So now is your time to make it 300 fruits. So now we are at it, make this thing, technology, usko ek maro, oh tree ko itna shock do, oh production double ho jayega. So this is the technology. It is our knowledge. You know, in the olden days, Srinivas, you remember any tamarind tree, we used to drive a nail into it. You see, that is to increase the production of the thing. So shock de do isko, maro. You know, this is the technology. Then we grow too much of, you know, what is this art, what is sericulture. फार्मर को देख के रोना पड़ता है हमको, क्योंकि वो उसका क्रॉप इतना आता है, बारिश बंद हो जाता है, इतना लॉस आता है. इसलिए नाउ वी आर वर्किंग ऑन एरोफोनिक्स वेयर आई विल ग्रो 1 acre का पूरा प्लांटेशन इनसाइड ए शेड विथ बकेट्स ऑफ वाटर, एरोफोनिक्स. सो उसका यू नो आई एम यूजिंग पीजोइलेक्ट्रिक क्रिस्टल्स, एक्साइटेशन, कैविटेशन टेक्नोलॉजी बनाओ, मॉइस्चर करा दो, नैनो पार्टिकल का मिक्सचर, उसमें न्यूट्रिएंट्स लगाओ, कुछ लगाओ. विद इन इस शेड ही कैन ग्रो 1 acre लैंड, 1 acre सेरिकल्चर, एंड द ग्रोथ रेट इज फास्टर and no need to farmer to go into the land. Sir, bring this technology. Otherwise, this country will go nowhere, sir. अभी गिरिराज सिंह से बात कर रहा था, मिनिस्टर जी से. आप इतना बोल रहा है, कोई क्वालिटी ऑफ मिल्क का बारे में नहीं बोल रहे हो, क्वांटिटी बोल रहे हो. क्वांटिटी डबल करने के लिए बहुत मुश्किल होता है, क्वालिटी देख लो. आपका न्यूट्रिशन वो वैल्यू क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? क्योंकि आपने इतना ऑर्गेनिक का ये फर्टिलाइजर का वो उसका फॉडर दे रहे हो भाई, वो फॉडर चेंज कर लो. नाउ वी हैव डेवलप्ड ए प्रोग्राम वेयर वी कैन चेंज द फॉडर टोटली ऑर्गेनिक, आपका मिल्क का क्वालिटी डेवलप हो जाएगा. सो आई थिंक इट इज टाइम पीपल लाइक यू गाइस हु हैव द एक्सपीरियंस, स्पेशली बीआईटी लोग इकट्ठा है, कुछ करना है तो use this technology, at least spend maybe one day or half a day thinking about the India, about the economy, usko change karna hai. Sir, this is what we should do. Otherwise, what is the use of BITN's 25,000 member Bitosaka? So we have to take up these national programs. Kuch karo bhai, kuch karo. You see, when I go to my town, Gauribidnur, 35 kilometers, you will see hills on the either side of the road, barren hills. हम बचपन में देखता था वो पूरा ट्रीज था, उसको पूरा काट लिया. So now I thought I will put the forest into it. How do we do it? Just simple. I just made this. We have drones. Sorry, we have only built the drones. 3 lakh rupees each, 2 drones. They will lift about 10 kgs weight. So these seeds, people in Karnataka, Srinivas, they are putting seed balls. That's the stupidest thing you can do. I had a Dharmasthala Egde. He said, I have put 5 lakh seed balls. And I said, what kind of idiotic thing? You don't tell me how many you put it. Tell me how many plants have come. That he gives me a funny look. It's really bad. So now I have come up with a technology, not technology, knowledge based from our villages. Soak these seeds for 24 hours. It is ready to sprout. आप कहीं भी आप उसको फेंको वो पेड़ हो जाएगा. So now I am doing this. Take that into the drones and just throw it on top of the hills. Okay, forest वापस आ जाएगा. इसको पेपर में इतना कवर हो गया. Now Australia is following, England is following. It is known as Gauribidnur technology. Okay, all that I am saying is please, think for the farmers, think for the society. And do something. In fact, June I realized my river has dried up. It's a river in the Uttara Pinakini, and I used to do fishing in that when I was a child. हमने होत लिया इसका पानी वापस आके हमारा grandchildren fish पकड़ना है इधर. So now what to do? So I have gone to Bamboo Foundation, this thing mission of Delhi. I said I need this. So now together 32 kilometers we have planted from June, 2 lakh bamboos, okay? And this bamboo can grow 3 feet per day, okay? And the root is such a way, any drop of rain, it will take and pump it into the ground. In 3 years, my groundwater will stabilize. So do this, there is no thing, it's a commitment of doing, and it doesn't take much time. Then, let me tell you, Srinivas is the architect of doing something which I had dreamt from childhood. See, I was dreaming, whenever I went to Japan, I have gone 100 times, I had my office in Japan. I was the director of International Shockwave Institute for 2 terms and all that. They have Tsukuba City, Science City. That made the difference to India-Japanese technology. I said that we need to build this one. And I was looking for the land. Srinivas was the, DC of one town. He sent me to Chitradurga. So we located, with his help, 11,000 acres. I bought it from government, sir. Now you can't even get 10 acres from the government. Somehow it all congregated. He had a friend who was Biswas. And together, 3 of us, we made this 11,000 acres. Today, what it is doing, IASC owns 1,500 acres. We are going to build synchrotrons and all that, very high tech. Next to that, 5,000 acres DRDO. It is developing unmanned aircraft. वो कारगिल में जो मार का आया ना मैंने, उसका प्रॉब्लम से अभी unmanned aircraft 24 hours वो देखते रहेगा बाहर. This is a 300, 500 or 600 kg weighing this thing. And that we
that
gave,
is called a drone, isn't it?
that's also, it's not, it's a drones are small things.
Right.
This is basically unmanned aircraft, they call it, because
You need a strip.
it can take off, it
You
will
need a
do,
take off and land.
yeah, landing and all that. So we were trying to catch the smugglers. What is that? Wrong. Mines fellows, and that fellow went to jail. And he is my relative, by the way. So he will kill me if he knows that. So, believe me, the way we have done 11,000 acres, I have put atomic energy there, which we had guarded so secretly that we will not tell what it was. Then New York, say, investigative journalist nikal diya, that 3 years ago. Modi ji had to run even today, country to country, convincing them what we are doing in Chelkere, in his place, is not for, military purpose. Even today, we think he is going to Trump and all, not for that, sir. This is the one. And we made it with a Behra director from Orissa, Atomic Energy wala. इतना सीक्रेट से हम डिजाइन किया, वो पेपर जो हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे, वो बर्न कर लेते थे पेपर से, निकल गया. So now it is known that we are making about uranium enrichment for 24 bombs a day per year, and it's a massive kind of investment that is there. Then we gave 500 acres to ISRO, and there you cannot imagine all moon landing exercises were done there, and the future, training the people, astronauts is taking place. It's one of the highest technologically advanced labs there. So all these things we brought in there, and it is happening. Can you imagine what is the impact of that on the Indian standing in the world? Now we have the capabilities of building a missile, building a warheads, and this warhead design I am directly involved from my company with Tata's, so we'll design in such a way. So all that I am trying to say, I am not saying KPJ Reddy is thing, but the knowledge what I had used for going to Mars and Moon, that is again another story. ISRO chairman was my student, Sivan is there. Next fellow
K.
is
Shivan, yeah. K. Shivan.
Yeah, next fellow incoming is Somnath. He was my student. So I had this privilege. Even Kalam also has worked with me for 6 months. We worked on something. So it was the privilege of working with such great minds and all that thing. But all that I am taking to my village. I have lost a dream. In my village, I want somebody to win Nobel Prize. इसके लिए we are building a science center, Dr. H. Narasimha Science Center. State has given me 206 acres land, and we have just inaugurated 16 acres. 190 acres I am building now. That will be such a way that you can walk through history, walk through archaeology, walk through everything, sir. And nowhere in the world such science center will be there. And a very big name professors have come and worked with me there, because buildings were not ready. All the work has taken place under the trees.
Wow.
So it's an incredible thing one can do. And I have brought the old technology, rammed earth technology, civil engineers jante honge. So only using the mud there, no cement, nothing. Biggest rammed earth building I have built in the country there. Okay. Now villagers are copying. Husband and wife can build the house by themselves without taking any cement or anything. So this is where the transformation, you as the organization, this is my dream for Bitosa. Bitosa should really make the India change. And we have the capabilities. Only thing is, it's not Bitosa is not a place to spend time. It is to think about what do we do to the society. I think please think this way. What little, it's out of so many things I have narrated this just to say what you know will be useful somewhere. This is what, and what you people know is enormously useful when you go into the day-to-day life. So kindly keep this thing in mind, make a vision or mission of your center. कुछ करो भाई, कुछ करो, नहीं तो कुछ फायदा नहीं होता है. What is the use? Sir, one thing, I learned one thing. I left my younger, we were 8 brothers, all 7 came out. One younger brother was idiot, he didn't learn. Then I realized he was the most genius. because इतना एंजॉय किया, हमसे पहले शादी किया उसने. यंगर ब्रदर पहला 2 बच्चा पैदा किया, इतना वो सिगरेट पिया, दारू पिया, मस्ती किया, एंड हमने इतने लगे रहा, कुछ नहीं डिफरेंस था, एंड आई वाज स्टिल स्ट्रगलिंग. आई सेड आई एम इडियट है, क्यों हम पढ़ के आगे गया या पीछे गया पता नहीं. So therefore, for having come to education, filling your stomach is not the goal, isn't it? Goal is not to make a living out of it. नहीं तो आप रिक्शा चला के भी वैसे कर सकता. So what we have done, God has bestowed on us with intelligence. Now think of beyond your family, beyond yourself. And believe me, now I am 68. I need only about 100 rupees a day. Even, especially after Corona, I realized this. Okay, आपका life के लिए wealth नहीं चाहिए. You don't need this. So it is time you think for others. So with this, I say, all the best to Bitosa.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you very much.
Great speech, sir. That's it.
Good.
And we are so proud of you as an alumni. And believe us, sir, we'll never be a competitor. We'll always be a collaborator.
No way that,
and what a way of saying that is applied engineering, applied science.
Yes, sir.
Example of, sir is an example of that. And we wish we could emulate it.
Sir, हो जाएगा sir. आप, I changed at the age of 60. Sir, now you are still not 60, sir. कर लो यार, क्या हो रहा है? इतना मस्ती होता है करने से. वो फार्मर का फेस में वो that happiness देखने से आपका नोबेल प्राइज मिल गया यार. इतना मतलब होता है उससे. You enjoy that. That even if you win a 100 crore lottery, there is no happiness because your wife will be planning for that. Your son will be planning. Believe me.
I'm sure Arvind sir has a lot to say on that part also. And he's waiting for his turn to. Yeah.
No, this is also youngsters. Orient yourself.
Very young.
That's what. Orient yourself. This country will be taken to next level only by people, not by politicians or leaders. Leaders can never take this country anywhere. It is you, me, and others, and it is only us we have to take. And I have personally got involved with people since last 4 or 5 years. You can make the difference. And what in technology is tremendously high for that application. So आप कुछ time निकालिए. सर आप बर्ड को चेंज किया, बर्ड फ्लू आ रहा है क्या, उसको हैंडल करने का आप सब इंजीनियरिंग, these are all damn engineering problems, believe me. It is hygiene you maintain in that, then the flu will not come. Hygiene maintain का वो उसका aeration, can you imagine आपका बर्ड का शेड होता है, शेड होके वो प्रोजेक्शन इतना का 2 feet लगाना है वॉल से, then air will come, aerodynamically it will go, बाहर से अंदर जाने तक 5 degrees drop हो जाएगा. वो थोड़ा उल्टा पलटे होने से bird death rate will ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. This is a damn aerodynamics, sir. So आप engineering लगा दीजिए उसको. So we have so many problems which you and me can solve as routine things. So please take this mindset and let us do a difference to this country.
Right.
Okay, thanks a lot. Next week.
So request Vincent to say a few words.
It is indeed a matter of pride for me sitting beside Professor Reddy.
For all of us.
He is alumni of our institution, BIT Misra. And when I heard him saying different stories, really, we do feel, or we must feel also, that whatever we have been doing, if it is not for the society, for the common man, it is useless. All these things can be done by anyone. But the one who thinks for the society, for the poor, really he is a brave man. Of course, I am also an alumni. I always feel myself as a teacher,
वॉशरूम इस तरफ है,
a small teacher,
वॉशरूम इज दिस वे.
learning something and then telling my students that this is what I have.
चलिए कोई दिक्कत नहीं, it's fine.
I won't be taking much time, but two small episodes I would also like to mention over here before you, sir. In the year 2007, or even earlier, 2005, one project was given to me, and at that time being BIT Misra, including VC, and that time perhaps
Dr.
Ashok
Mukherjee.
Mishra was head of department. He told me that Arvind, do not accept this, because if we fail in that, then everything will come to you. But in spite of that, I accepted. And that was the project from Ministry of New and Renewable Energy Resources. That was very simple 25 crore project in which I was given the responsibility of electrification of a particular village which is there in a jungle. There is no road. And if it happens to be a rainy season, then you cannot even find the passage how to move and reach to that particular destination. We manage that. So off the road it is 10 kilometers deep in the jungle. There when I visited, I could see 100 kacha houses were there, that is tribal society living, and they have not seen the train, they have not seen buses. This was the fate of that particular village. And there I also did a very small thing, because this responsibility was given to me. That jungle was full of karanja trees. Karanja is a tree that has the seed which is oil bearing. In 2006 or 5, if I am not wrong, that time itself I derived oil from that, and I started a plant over there. And what was the capacity of the plant? Only 2.5 kilowatt. Because these people are very poor. They do not have the earning of even 10 rupees a day. What they can give to the government, even if electrification is done. But those real poor people, they encourage me, sir, you do give us electricity, and whatever is possible, we shall be repaying to you. But anyway, since this was a government project, and so I assured them that you did not pay anything, just you enjoy the benefit of electricity. And that was the first biodiesel plant which was set up in the state of Jharkhand with the help of government of Jharkhand, and I was the architect of that particular plant. This was one particular project. I finished, then I was
Same
given
thing
this.
was done with Jatropha, and there's the same Jatropha is like.
Jatropha is basically क्या है ना कि वो
The same
अपने
oil.
देश का चीज नहीं है,
अच्छा.
वो लाया गया यहाँ हमारे यहाँ
South
plant
America
किया
से,
गया.
I think.
बट करंज झारखंड का शान है.
बिल्कुल. All over Jharkhand.
हाँ, the Adivasis, they used to have this Karanj oil as hair oil. So
करंज का फ्लावर में
हाँ.
भी आता है, इसीलिए जत्रोफा वाला
सक्सेसफुल भी नहीं हुआ.
No, that
So it's
was
not
the
yielding
most
that
yielding that was a
expensive
kilo-
Yeah.
misadventure of
Kilowatt
India.
of energy that was required.
No, most expensive misadventure
Yes.
of India was Jatropha. I kept on fighting against it because we have Ongemara. That is the right plant. It does the thing. Pongemia. And incredible, biodiesel comes out of it. But politically, they went and Jatropha grows beautifully as a tree. Yield
Yeah,
is
seen
2
that
kg.
picture.
2 kg.
That is there.
That's it.
And
Yeah.
any sort of land, if it is available, that can be grown Jatropha. So positive points are there. But looking to the scenario of Jharkhand, there this project
So it's
Was
fair
not-
across the country.
was not successful. But anyway, we did it, and it is working till today.
Oh, great.
It's a matter of pride for me as well. One more small episode, just I'll take 1 minute. As sir told me regarding the issues of milk-bearing animals, for example, cows, buffaloes, and others. Of course, it is indeed a very great thing if we can do something for those animals. Especially if it is a cow, no problem, because it is a milk-bearing animal. But if happens to be an ox, तो वो सड़क पे ही मिलेगा आपको. No one is there कि वो अपने घर में रखे और मुफ्त में खिलाए. And therefore, in the year 2009, I developed a very small thing that we call a prime mover. That prime mover was driven by that ox. I must say that is oxen driven generator. So basically, an ox used to walk in a circle with his own speed. That is around 4 RPM per minute, even lesser than that. And I devised a gearbox which can step up the RPM. Usually we have reduction gearing, but here I devised in such a way that the speed can be taken up to a level of 800 RPM, where a dynamo or a small generator can produce electricity. And that electricity was not given to each village of each house of the village, but it was used only for charging of the batteries. And that time वो आपका मोबाइल और ये सब बहुत आ रहा था, and you must be heard of कि उस समय लोग चार्जिंग के लिए शहर आते थे. So it was also a very wonderful project. Small thing, and it is not very costly. Just by investing 6,000, 5,000,
No, it's
you can have that. But the only thing is you should have an animal in the village. So by utilizing those things, you can have the benefit. So these are all the examples of doing something for the society. So once again, I also repeat his words that we must all see the difficulties and the situations that are prevailing in the society is known to everyone. What we need is the resolution. Resolve something, do something, and do for them. And there will be lot of helping hands coming to you. It is we who are conservative, thinking who will help me, how this can be done. But once you start, definitely lot of help will be there with you. So with these words, I once again thank you, sir,
Oh, sorry.
for coming to our place, meeting with us. Of course, it's really a matter of pride. And I
I am lucky to meet you guys so much. I want to interrupt you.
Yeah.
Now, this, it's okay, just 1 minute.
Sure, sir.
These cows, they give birth to 50-50 chances a male or female cow. Now that there is a ban on eating, a male cow in about a month they were sold for butchering, and it was sort of. Now it is banned. Now you can see streets full of these, male ones, but they are 1 ton and above. They need at least about 10 kg, 20 kg fodder per day. Who is giving? They are starving. So therefore now the semen is sex selection. Semen is entered into market. Government has also cleared. They give you guarantee of getting 80 to 90% that you will have only female. So that is on now. That's what we discussed here. I have a company working with me. So now the sex selection, then genetic one. They add genetic. Then they can produce such a way that milk will contain, let's say you are allergic to something, you can feed it into that genetics. Then that cow milk you will not be allergic. So it is going to be like that. At this rate, I have a suspicion our cow becomes useless. We will drink synthetic milk. So finally we'll eradicate cows. Okay, that's it.
So I request Casey sir to speak a few words.
I don't have word to really speak except for welcoming you and welcoming you next time. Right. Few of us should, I think, and definitely will go to your place, try to understand, because this is, we are agriculture dominated economy.
Right.
So we have to work for the farmers, and the ideas you have, possibly we want to see that and start working on it. I myself, although I am in industry, but I have inherited property, farming property, which I am working.
I can add a few words here, sir. Sir is very knowledgeable about
Yes,
farming,
yes.
fisheries, you name it.
Since
And
last,
he is absolutely master in few things, as far as knowledge goes.
So
I have yet to see an application, sir.
last 25 years I am agriculturist also.
Wow.
So and trying to do little bit of that, because most of the time I am here in Patna and
And
looking
he
at.
has been the president of Bihar Industries Association for the longest time. Means almost
Yeah.
industrialist of Bihar for the
He's so
longest
modest,
time.
he doesn't-
I am entrepreneur. None of us in Bihar. Bihar origin people is industrialist. Most of us are entrepreneur, and I am one of them, definitely. So, but we need to definitely understand how to really use science, use innovation in agriculture. That is very, very important. Industry, ठीक है, चलेगा. But farming has to improve here in India. India also, and Bihar definitely. Like, we are growing, today we are growing paddy and wheat. We are not thinking of pulse and wild seed. The government and ourselves also should think of pulse and wild seed. Possibly it will save lakhs of crore in
Import.
So those things that we have to possibly work with, and for that we will definitely need your guidance, because like me, I passed out more than 50 years back, and I have not been really using my mechanical engineering and whatever I am doing. So I am no more engineer. I am basically a manager now. But one thing I have got from BIT is definitely sense of analyzing things and
Jugaad.
going to the right. Power of analysis is very, very important, and that's what we got in our institute. Most of us, I think, will agree with me that power of analysis generally, most of our colleagues in other institutes, when we discuss, I find that they are not at that level in analyzing things. So that power we have, and with that power, wherever you apply this, you get result. You have moved in a particular direction of innovation that is helping the society in a particular area or a particular field. we like you to give little more light to our area too.
Come, sir.
Because
Let us do
you
it.
came to Bihar and you are in Bihar today. So possibly we need your help and we will definitely disturb you. We need
Right.
to organize ourselves and
Right.
then we will disturb
We'll
you.
do that.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you very much,
yeah,
sir.
you
And,
mentioned-
and I'm personally privileged to sit with you.
Wow. I feel really.
I think Akhilesh
That's
has
in front
also-
of Srinivas. I feel really.
You should all
humbled.
thank to Srinivas sir as well.
Yeah. No, even just one word. Oil seeds के बारे में आप बोल रहे थे. And we have produced a breed in GKVK, that Agricultural University. The sunflower. Sunflower typically has 42% oil content. Now we have made it into. They have made it into almost 50%. I think this is what we should now go into. That's one thing I suggested to your sunflower with this modern oil content enhancement. Even 1% enhancement. I don't know the technology, but it is done by the professors of Gandhi Krishi Vignan. That is, so all these things are the one available to Bihar people. I was telling to the minister, we will bring it, we will enable that to come. And the fodder for the cattle, we have come up with formulas which we can implement. Last point I would like to tell you again, technology. आप वो खेती करते हैं ना, plow, what you are using? उसको क्या बोल? हाँ, plowing का. That was invented maybe during Harappa Mahansa.
Yeah.
We have not changed that. Can you imagine? It is going on and on. How stupid we are. So now I have implemented something. You have to use the fluid dynamics. So you have to use everything. Then this plow should be angle of attack. This thing, that thing, you fine tune it. So first thing we should get rid of is the tractors, mechanization of our agriculture. That's the worst thing we did because ट्रैक्टर का हर एक पार्ट बाहर से आता है. आप थोड़ा कमाओ उसको दे दो, उसका टायर बाहर से, पेट्रोल बाहर से, एवरीथिंग. फार्मर को बचा क्या है? एंड ये फार्मर इडियट ही सिट्स इन द हाउस, बीड़ी का पीते रहता है, कोई वो काम करके चला जाता है. उससे कितना डिसीजेस आया, कितना एडिक्शंस आया. In my younger days, 4:30 people used to get up, take these 2 bullocks and do the work. Now कोई 7 बजे से पहले नहीं उठता नहीं. Health car. So now I am trying to tell the children, go to computational fluid dynamics. Design करो, करके आपका land का characteristics का suit होने का ये design करो. Then you can increase the productivity of that by 2-fold minimum. Then you don't need a damn tractor. So this is the way we must implement the technology. Okay? Thanks.
I think few words by
Srinivas, we need.
just a few words.
I don't want to.
I don't mean to shorten it.
थैंक यू वेरी मच. बिहार में जो होता है क्रिकेट मैच में जो 1-2 खिलाड़ी को दूसरा जगह से ले देता है ना, तो मैं भी आज 12 खिलाड़ी 12 प्लेयर. तो सो फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट आई विल
Always good players को borrow किया.
Professor Reddy साहब के बारे में just tell you that he spoke so fantastically how the smallest idea can become a biggest project. After coming to Bihar about 10 years later, I went to Karnataka on deputation and I was DC of Kolar, which you know that it's the gold and right next to Bangalore.
I've been there.
Yes, Professor Reddy, along with his team, he came to Kolar and they were searching for a suitable piece of land to establish the second campus of IASC. I could offer about 250 acres of land in Kolar district, but Professor was not ready to accept anything below 500 acres. Then I was, being from Chitradurga, selfish person, I suggested, because I knew that there's a huge swath of land in Chitradurga. So I suggested, Professor, why don't you go to my native district and the land is available. And Professor, thanks to him, it was decided in a small chamber of Kolar DC office. And I proposed, Professor took it up, then I had a word with Chitradurga DC, everything was done. Just look at it. I mean, what we started for about 500 or 800 acres of second campus of IISc, today it is having so many campuses, DRDO, art, state of the art.
Everybody came there.
I mean, everybody came there. There is a huge township. If you look at the landing, the airstrip, perhaps it must be one of the longest. The Mars mission, which unfortunately failed, was tested there. I mean, the whole area is now out of bounds for the localites because of the so sensitive projects going on. So all thanks to Professor Reddy. I mean, we should, very few people, I'm telling you, very few people ever know. I mean, that it was Professor Reddy who took the initiative, and now it has established a big science park. No, you name it, it is there.
Maybe we can make a group visit to that place someday. And
well, permission to that place may be very difficult.
Okay, that is. Maybe we can make a group visit to that place someday.
You come because
We
you
will
are
visit to this
professional.
place first.
Not to atomic energy.
Yeah. DRDO also they want to work.
IISc, you will see ISRO, if I can, will do that.
Right.
Just come in there, sir. See, sir. At least I will ask DRDO to let me in there because.
Right, so we'll seek your help in that.
नहीं that हो जाएगा क्योंकि most of their directors were my students, so वो बुतरू होता है. DRDO chief Satish Reddy, I have mentored him for last 20 years. He is the whole advisor to Raksha Mantri, all that thing. वो लोग बच्चे हैं, उसको बोल दो हो जाएगा. आ जाइए.
हाँ, sure.
I'll just complete in a minute.
Yeah, please.
So after coming from very dry area, which he will certify because he studied from my town.
Right.
So I'm telling you, it rains about 400 to 450 mm in Chitradurga compared to what it rains in, say, Patna, which is not very high rainfall area in Bihar. Here it is 1000 mm.
Yeah, right.
And there is no, in fact I was going through the statistics. Chitradurga, the yield per hectare is twice that of Bihar.
That is true.
I mean, see, Professor is talking about how to increase that yield by 2
Since
times.
I was looking after tractors, so I had this data. And I was amazed what you say. I discovered
But
it
see,
wrong.
when I came to Bihar, I was stunned. You know, this kind of scenario you will see only in
God's own country, sir.
That absolutely God's own country. I mean, first place I joined was Purnia. There was a small borewell. First of all, we have that such small borewells are not to be seen in Karnataka. I mean, you don't even find it in market. So there was a small borewell, and in the rainy season, the water was coming out on its own in Purnia. And I used to wonder that what should be the pressure inside that it's climbing up almost about 12-13 feet to come out. It used to drip out. So then I realized, sometimes I used to think that we must be floating on water. Such rich area. If Professor Reddy's come here, I'm telling you, they will give you pension and ask you to stay at your home, and they will convert this whole land into a paradise.
Really make it into heaven.
So, but so 3 things I would like to quickly point out. First is the sun. See, this time, in fact, winter has hardly made its presence so far. Sun is so abundant, Professor, here, except for those 2 months in cold season. Otherwise, 10 months we have abundant sun. All of you must have visited Bengaluru, if not other parts of Karnataka. You will not find even 10% of the houses without solar panel on the
Must
top.
now, compulsory.
I mean, but here I see people don't mind switching on the geyser, people don't mind heating the water with fossil food, something like that. But look, we have abundant sunlight and we are not making use of it. When people they ask Professor Reddy for any ideas, just in discussion
Somehow
with the
we
post.
think that common sense is missing somewhere.
I don't know. So somehow when they ask me that what business can they start, no big blue chip company can come in Bihar. Let it be taken it in writing. You people know much more than me. With such high cost of land, there is no way that big chip industry will come to Bihar. But what can be done? Look at fishery. When I joined as SDO in Hajipur, about 21, 22 years back, 2 trucks of Andhra fish used to come every day to Hajipur town. Today, we are not only self-reliant, maybe in a year or two we will be able to export it. Look at the change that has taken place. So, if we can do this in fishery, certainly we will be able to do it in other sectors. When India got its independence, 35% of the sugar production was in UP, 27% was Bihar. Just जिस समय आज़ादी मिला था, आज हम लोग किस स्थिति में हैं, आप हम सब लोग जानते हैं। ऐसे कोई डिस्ट्रिक्ट नहीं होगा जहाँ एक पूरा चौपटपट्टी टाइप का एक जगह मिलेगा बड़ा वाला, तो वही है एक शुगर मिल हुआ करता था टाइप का खंडर, पूरा महाखंडर एक मिलेगा। हाँ, ऑलमोस्ट स्पेशली नॉर्थ बिहार में तो मल्टीपल मिलेगा एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट में। तो आई एम नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस। सोलर का मैं सोचता हूँ, शुगर का सोचता हूँ, मैंने आपका फिशरी का सोचता हूँ। We have tremendous capacity. There is no point in imitating other states. Each and every state is unique. Every one of us is unique. We cannot replicate what happened in Karnataka, in Bihar. What happens in Bihar cannot be replicated in Karnataka. So unless we understand the local situations, we will never be able to come up. Again, I'm talking from my Vaishali experience. जिस समय लालू जी रेलवे मिनिस्टर बने थे, he introduced extra bogie or something like that to carry vegetables from Vaishali to Hajipur to Delhi. It was a massive failure. क्योंकि I don't know, people must have read Kenneth Anderson, पढ़े हैं आप लोग? वो शिकारी थे, जिम कॉर्बेट जैसे कि वो भी सदर्न इंडिया में कर्नाटका, तमिलनाडु, आंध्र प्रदेश सब जगह में, इंक्लूडिंग चित्रदुर्गा में, he has hunted a man-eater tiger. He says he has written this book about 60 years back, and he writes in this book